Hello everyone! Happy Wednesday night. I hope you're all having a blessed day. Welcome back to my channel. Here's your daily news report and fourth stimulus check update. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer has just announced that the IRS is taking action on the new $2 billion Excluded Workers Fund. There are several U.S. states that will be receiving more money from President Biden's infrastructure bill. Also, this coming Friday, I will be giving away two $75 Walmart gift cards. For more details on how to enter the giveaway, please make sure you watch until the end of this video. Thank you so much, everyone. California sent out the first batch of Golden State stimulus payments this week, delivering payments to more than 600,000 California residents. The relief check started hitting bank accounts on Friday. The government has so far distributed about $354 million in the first wave. The first payments, which will be sent by either direct deposit or paper check, will be issued in 2-week increments. The second round of stimulus checks for California residents is part of Governor Gavin Newsom's $100 billion budget that he signed into law in July. As a part of the plan, the state expects to provide about $12 billion in relief to 15.2 million California households, or about 2/3 of the state's taxpayers. So everyone, what other states do you think should send stimulus checks to their residents? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. The states of California, Texas, and New York will likely cash in big on the $1 trillion infrastructure package if the bill makes its way to President Biden's desk. But far less populous states such as Montana and Alaska will get the most money per capita. The administration said Californians should plan for at least $44.56 billion in infrastructure funds, the biggest sum for any state, with highways and public transit alone comprising about nearly $35 billion of that total. Texas came in at number 2 with an estimated allocation of $35.44 billion, between $26.9 billion in estimated highway funds and another $3.3 billion in estimated public transit funds. New York, which is in third, is projected to receive nearly $27 billion. CNBC's analysis shows that the states of Vermont, Montana, Alaska, and Wyoming lead when it comes to estimated per capita infrastructure spending, with at least $3,500 per resident. California's estimated per capita allocation is less than $1,250 per resident. The White House, hoping to make good on Biden's campaign promises ahead of the 2022 midterm elections, has billed the plan as generational investment. The Senate overwhelmingly approved the $1 trillion infrastructure bill earlier this month in an effort to rebuild the nation's crumbling roads and bridges, and also fund new climate resilience and broadband initiatives. The House aims to pass the bill by sometime in October. Thousands of New Yorkers who previously could not access the roughly $2 billion in New York State Excluded Workers Fund without an individual taxpayer identification number because of the IRS backlog will now have their chance to do so. U.S. Senator Chuck Schumer announced on Tuesday, August 31st, to qualify for the Excluded Workers Fund, workers had to obtain an ITIN from the IRS. However, because of these backlogs, limited capacity, and crisis-related closures at the IRS, thousands of eligible New Yorkers would have had to wait for a year to receive their ITIN, delaying payments of a maximum of $15,600 from the fund. So everyone, the key word for this video is pumpkin. Thank you so much, everyone. Previously, Chuck Schumer, along with State Senator Jessica Ramos and Assembly members Carmen de la Rosa and Jessica Gonzalez Rojas, called on the Internal Revenue Service to expand Taxpayer Assistance Center operations and dedicate more staff to fixing the backlog. So now, proof of a pending ITIN number and a stamped W-7 form will be adequate in order to help address the problem of the nationwide backlog. The Internal Revenue Service will set up 7 centers where eligible New Yorkers can present their pending application, and the minute workers apply, they will receive their money. The Biden administration has said ending the federal programs at this time is appropriate, but it also indicated that states can use recovery funds to help those who are still struggling with unemployment. To date, no U.S. state has elected to do so. CBS News reached out to officials in all 50 states to see if they would be extending the enhanced $300 benefits or other programs, such as the ones created for those who don't qualify for traditional unemployment benefits, like gig workers, self-employed workers, or those who've been put out of a job for a long time. The vast majority acknowledge states will return to pre-crisis unemployment benefit levels starting next week. So everyone, that's the end of the video for tonight. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me here today. Remember that this coming Friday, I will be giving away Walmart gift cards. Please enter my giveaway by subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and also commenting below the keyword of this video. Also, please know that there will be a keyword in each video for a total of 17 keywords for this week. And whomever has the most correct keywords entered by this Friday's video will be automatically placed in a giveaway. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a very blessed Wednesday night.
You know, America's unique. America's the only country in the world that's founded on an idea. You can define every other country in the world based on ethnicity or geography. We're the only one based on an idea, not a joke. The idea was, we hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men and women are created equal, endowed by their Creator with certain inalienable rights, life, liberty, the pursuit of happiness. We hear it all the time, but it's who we are. We can't be different than attempting to continue to have that arc move toward justice. Or this generation of graduates, of new ensigns in the United States Coast Guard, who have volunteered to serve our country, I've never been more optimistic about our future. You understand in your bones that our diversity is one of the enduring advantages and inherent strengths to America. In your careers, you're going to face challenges you can't predict. You'll be asked to lead in ways and navigate new paths. But when the storms gather or the seas of life grow rough, remember the Coast Guard's marching song to sing on land and sea, through surf and storm, howling gale. High shall your purpose be. The class of 2021, you have it all. You really do. And we need you badly. And that's not hyperbole. The country needs you. Press always asks me why I'm so optimistic about America's chances in the world. And I've said from the time I decided to run, because of this generation, you're the most progressive, best educated, least prejudiced, most open generation in American history. We need you badly. You're ready. It's time to get underway. God protect you all as you set out on your journey, and may God protect all those who wear the uniform of the United States of America. God bless America.